So what we are asking you during this test that will span over 8 days is that on the first day of the test, let's say you're still having your regular beauty routine, the night before doing your first swab, we ask you to not use any product. So you clean your face if you have anything on your skin like sunscreen, makeup or any other cosmetic treatment. You clean your face, you go to bed, and in the morning before you shower or anything, we ask you to do the first swabbing. And I have another video where I show you exactly how to do this procedure. So very important, no product at all and no showering in the morning before you do your swab. After you've done it, you can go back to your regular routine. However, not for your face. As you've seen, we ask you to go all minimal and microbiome friendly for a week, where you will use the little minis you receive to like gently cleaning and moisturizing your face. I don't want to impose people to use products if they don't need them. So really those products, if you're used normally to clean your face regularly, I always recommend to wash the less possible, and to moisturize, of course, anytime your skin feels dry or tight. But I don't want to force you to use the product like 3 times a day, that many times a week. No, because in real life, that's not what's happening. So just continue to use the product like you normally would. And at the end of the 7th day, same, you clean your face, or like you keep your face as it is, and in the morning, the first thing you will be doing is to again swab your forehead and ship back the sample. Very important. During the week of the study, because we will be analyzing your forehead, I'm going to ask you to be very careful with hair care product. I know you will be cutting off on the beauty product for the face, but think about any other product you might be using that could interfere, especially with the zone of the test that is the forehead. So if you need to shampoo or use like spray product on your hair, really try to make sure that no shampoo will be in contact with your forehead. I know it's not easy, but it's very important. Why? Because shampoo usually have very strong emulsifier, and they are not microbiome friendly most of the time. So they might interfere with your own data when you will receive the report. So very important to be careful about hair care. Regarding sun protection, what we recommend, because you cannot use any protection on the zone where we will be doing the swabbing, is like either you use a sunscreen on the bottom of your face, and when you remove it at night, to really use the cleanser from like top to bottom to make sure that it won't be in contact with the forehead. And also, of course, to wear a cap or a hat the whole time of the study to make sure that the forehead is well protected, because we need to be careful of the sun, whatever your skin tone is. So very, very important. So those are the 2 things I wanted to chat about: being very careful with hair care product, and also being careful about sun protection during the studies. If you have any question, just email us at microbiome@drej.com. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.